Arjun was confused on the battlefield, just like many students feel lost in studies today. Then Krishna said, "Control your mind. Focus on your duty, and success will follow." In the same way, Krishna motivates you today to study with devotion, balance, and confidence. These study tips are not just rules, they are your path to victory. Study tips every student must know. Daily life use 1. Pomodoro Technique, 25 to 5 rule. Study for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break. This boosts focus or prevents burnout. 2. Active recall or self-testing. Don't just reread, test yourself with flashcards, quizzes, or explaining to a friend. Team. Teach to learn. If you can explain a topic in simple words, you've truly understood it. 4. Morning revision habit. Revise important points early morning. The brain retains better at that time. 5. Chunking method. Break big topics into small chunks. Small wins make learning consistent. 6. Prioritize sleep, 7-8 ghante. A rested brain works faster than an overworked one. 7. Use Feynman techniques. Write down concepts as if explaining to a 10-year-old. Simplicity equals clarity. 8. Healthy study space, clean desk, good light, no distractions. Environment impacts focus. 9. Mind maps or visual learning. Diagrams, charts, or colors make memory stronger than plain text. Thus, daily revision cycle, 1-2-7 rule, revise after 1 day, 2 days, then 7 days. It locks info in long-term memory. Golden rule, consistency beats intensity. Even 2 focused hours daily are better than 8 distracted hours. Remember, like Krishna guided Arjun, he is guiding you too. Do your karma with full focus, without worrying about the result. Success will come naturally. Believe in yourself. You are not alone. Krishna is with you. Would you like the video? Then share with your friends, and like, subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.